Hi everyone, so we are going to solve a SQL problem. This is available on Datalemur. So it says year on year growth rate. Okay, so this is okay. Assume you are given the table below containing information on user transaction of a particular product, of particular products. Okay, write a query to obtain year on year growth rate for the total spend for each product for each year. Output the year in descending order, partition by product ID, current year spent, previous year spent, and year on year growth rate. Okay, I think year on year growth rate is a calculated field. If we know basically these like year product ID and current year spent, and like, especially if you know the current year spent and previous year spent, then you would be able to calculate the year on year growth rate. So that's what, let's not focus too much on this, instead of trying to get these things. So we want a product ID and it's spent over the year. So let's focus on current year. For a particular product ID, how much did we spend in a particular year, right? So we have been given a transaction ID, product ID, spent, and transaction date. Yeah, I think transaction ID something might not be relevant because it's unique. So we want for each product spent for a particular year. So let's get another column which would have a year. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so all we need product ID grouped by year. And we would like year, product ID, and the total spent, sum of spent for a particular year. Yeah, this is basically, yeah, this is good. And now we want the spend from the last year. So basically we need another field which would contain lag. Let's write this is our base table. We'll use this for calculation. So let's put this as a common table expression. Yeah, now we want basically spend for the last year, right, for each product. So let's get lag of sum over partition by product ID order by, let's keep this year, order by year. We want lag of 1. Yeah, that should as last year's spent. Yeah, this should be it, I guess. And now we want another field which will contain last year spent Let's write this as a current year spent. Current spent minus last year spent into 100. Okay, so they don't have this. No, you can't use this variable last year spent. Okay, so let's write another CT. I would say that's a good idea. CT2 as CT2 yeah, this would do, I think, good job. Okay, what's wrong now? Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, okay, sorry, there is a comma which should not be. Yeah, this should work now. Sum does not exist. Oh, sorry. I've changed the column here. Yeah, and we want this to be rounded up to 2 decimals. So let's round this thing round to 2 decimal digit as year on year rate. And we would want to order this by year in ascending order, or put the year in ascending order. So basically order by year ascending. That's it. Hopefully this should be okay. Yeah, query doesn't match the okay, partition by order ID. Okay, so basically year as well as order ID. This should work, I guess. Okay, output there in ascending order partition by, I think we should just have this way, order by product ID and year. Yeah, this should work. Yep. So what did we do? Let's just have a look quickly. So basically we just grouped this, we kind of made basically from transactional table to analytical table. This is basically that process. Basically just grouped by year and product ID, and we just took the sum of spent. That was just one base table, and another table we created where we generated another column called lag. Basically we just wanted for each product the spend from the last year. We just put the basically last row into the next row, and that's this process. and now we use the two column, last year spent and current year spent, to basically calculate the year on year rate. Yeah, and this was not very clear to how to order by and all, so yeah, that just took a little bit of hula hoop. Okay, that should be okay, I guess. Yeah.